Hey, fancy diving into an exploration of Microsoft's identity platform. Perfect for IT pros or anyone looking for a peek at cutting-edge authentication and identity management. It's a system that's all about providing secure access while keeping users' needs at the heart of everything, like with seamless single sign-on experiences, robust protection measures, and the ability to manage identities across apps. So, let's get into the nuts and bolts of this comprehensive guide, starting from the grand vision to the nitty-gritty of getting your hands dirty with configurations. So, why are we obsessing over Microsoft's IDP, right? Because it's not just another IAM tool. Imagine a well-oiled system that scales as big as your pizza when you are up to your neck in work. It works together with Azure AD, which plays nicely alongside your apps, services, and even SaaS tools. Now, let's dive headfirst and navigate through the layers of this identity wonderland. The identity platform works like a Swiss Army knife, ready to fit into your apps and automate just about anything related to user identities. It's smart, adaptive, and also secure. If you are a developer, then you can breathe easy knowing that your app's gonna have the robust authentication it deserves, thanks to this identity platform. It takes the hassle out of securing access and giving you the confidence to focus on what you love building. But wait, there's more. IT pros, you'll want to understand how to deploy and manage users and groups, access Azure services and more without breaking a sweat over the complexities. And if security's what you seek, then you're in for some gold. It comes equipped with MFA, conditional access to protect critical resources, and policy-driven access controls. Let's talk the tech, and trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. The identity platform stands firm on industry standards like OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect. So, no matter the mix of applications, they can play nice and compatible. Now, for seamless integrations and workflows that simplify tasks and let's face it, reduce tedium, it's got just that. But the best part. It provides a flexible and granular approach to access, policies that adapt dynamically and evolve as needs change. Don't even get me started on scalability, as IAM challenges can rise like a souffle if not handled with care. But with the identity platform, your IAM solutions can rise beautifully while handling loads of users elegantly. It's no wonder that IT pros find this platform a breath of fresh air or rather as a holy crow's F-yes. But seriously, the best IAM is flexible yet rigorous, giving users access on demand without taking a day off for a security audit. Alright, let's get practical now, shall we? Say you want to set up MFA using a device or authenticator app. It's as simple as pie, really, just find and configure the respective settings, and your users are secure across the board. And for those times when troubles occur, like access issues that seem more like a bad day at the office than anything. Advanced troubleshooting steps include checking token validity, reviewing app permissions, and even diving into the user and device claims, if your tech hive mind is up to it. The support's never too far away, and the platform's resources on troubleshooting are like your tech-savvy sidekick. We're talking top-notch customization with just-in-time access to resources, time-based access policies which could say a lot for a work spree of yours, and the like. Your users, on the other hand, get a tailored experience, minimizing friction without sacrificing data visibility for administrators. Now, before I let you go back to conquering the world while keeping identities in check, let's not forget best practices. Implement the most stringent policies with conditional access, ensure secure data protection with encryption, and remember, least privilege access. Think of policies as the do's and don't use guidelines. In the IAM world, they're crucial for keeping users safe and resources locked down. Lastly, let's not forget about compliance, for heaven's sake. It's not just about having security measures in place, but ensuring they align with regulations. The IDP helps with regular audits and reports. And speaking of keeping everything in check, let's tie this whole chat together with getting back to the root, the seamless integration of security and usability across platforms, providing a balanced environment that meets the demands of security and productivity. So, after our journey through the Microsoft Identity Platform, I hope you now see its value as essential not just for managing identities but enhancing user experience, aligning with business goals, and ensuring the highest security standards. Don't stop here though, dive deeper, explore more resources, get your hands dirty and get the knowledge to not just deploy IAM, but also master it. And if this exploration piqued your curiosity, make sure you are following along the trail for more resources to keep expanding your knowledge horizons. Remember, in the world of modern application development and identity management, stay ahead of the curve but let user experience be your guiding light. Now, if you are ready to carry on your quest for knowledge and master the Microsoft Identity Platform, why not keep the momentum rolling? Visit neerajdots.io and subscribe to TechLab for more insights into the world of cutting-edge tech and how Microsoft's solutions are shaping a secure yet user-friendly digital environment for everyone. Cheers to your journey ahead.